Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So make sure that Bluetooth is active by opening the control center and checking the Bluetooth right here. Make sure that Bluetooth is toggled on, and when you're trying to pair a new device, make sure that you enable pairing mode on the device you're trying to pair, so that it can become discoverable. And if it's not resolving your issue, you can restart your computer by going to power options right here and selecting restart. And you can also simply re-enable Bluetooth or enable the airplane mode on your computer. Cannot find the airplane mode directly here. Maybe we can find it. Okay, so it seems that there is no airplane mode on this laptop, but we can go to settings and we can open system preferences in here and perform safety reset in the bottom of system preferences menu. After this, restart your computer and try reconnecting your Bluetooth device to your laptop. It should be working alright. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.